You guys, I'm literally charging my camera as I'm speaking to you. So I had to like put it, rearrange it over here under my arm so that I could do the intro. Let's get into it. This is like foreshadowing of is what this video is gonna be like. So anyway, hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a Homegoods haul. It's gonna be super casual. I literally just ran into Homegoods after I left my chiropractor appointment. If you follow me on stories, you know I'm in the chiropractor. I'm going to the chiropractor because my spine is like a squiggly line. Like it's basically all types of disaligned and like crooked. So we're working on trying to straighten that out. Anyway, charging the camera, holding the camera, ready to turn the camera and show you all what I got at Homegoods. But let's get into it. I want to show you all what I got because I found some really good stuff. Yeah, I did good. I'm really excited about this. And then maybe if we have time, we can style a couple of these pieces or we can figure out like where we're going to put them. So I'm going to prop you guys up so that we can get into this haul. Okay, guys, so I have you all up on the tripod. Still charging my camera. Let's get into the haul. Okay, so obviously everything that I share is from Homegoods, which I cannot link because every Homegoods is different and their website doesn't reflect what's in store. It's kind of like, it's not a mess, it's treasure hunting, but it's difficult for me. So I'm gonna try to link things that are similar from places like that are around the same price point. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, actually I like this angle better. Okay, yeah, this is it. Okay, let's go. Okay, first up from Homegoods, obviously. I got this like chrome metal tray. I thought this would be really, really pretty on like a coffee table. You could put this on a cabinet. I thought this was just really pretty. Chrome is very in. Chrome and silver are like the metals. And I just thought that was really, really pretty. Okay, super random, but I got some peach tea. It's beginning to be spring, summer, it's warm out. So I wanted to get some tea just to make like an iced tea. Maybe put like some sparkling water, put like actual like peach slices or maybe like raspberries like inside. I think would be really cute. You all know how I feel about making a cute little drinky drink. So I thought this could be something nice to like sip on outside with some ice and just like cool you down. Then I got this candle. I thought this was really, really pretty. Obviously you could put it anywhere as like a little decorative moment, but I thought this was cool because it's all wax. Like this is the actual wax. So I'm gonna have to put it on like a little plate or like inside a cylinder or something like that. And this is the wick. Like the actual wick is a part of the price tag. Like it's like tied on there. So obviously I'll just have to like cut that off. But I thought this was really cool. Okay, and next up I got another candle. This is in the pineapple vanilla scent. I love the shape of this. I think this is beautiful. And obviously like after I burn it all the way through, I could just have this out on like coffee table books, on a mantle. Like this is just really, really pretty to me. I love the color, I love the shape, very aesthetic. Okay, and then moving on, I got some coffee table books. This is just a Venice coffee table book. I thought this was really, really pretty. I, for the longest, was only getting coffee table books that were like white, cream, beige, which I still got some, but I want to add some more depth and I like the spine of it. I like the actual top of it, like the cover as well. And obviously for the illustrations inside, but I mean, for me, judge me if you want, but I'm only getting a book if it's like a good size, a good weight, the cover is cute, because I don't get these to necessarily like curl up with tea and read. I have flipped through a few, but I'm gonna be completely honest. Like I get it to be aesthetic, to be cute in my home. So that's why I got this one. Okay, and I just said I get a lot of white and cream books. This is another one. This book is called Living with Nature, Decorating with the Rhythms of the Seasons. Ooh, rhythm of the, okay, let me stop. Okay, anyway, so I just thought this was, again, nice, pretty, aesthetic, goes with the vibes. And I already have this book, but it's so pretty. I just wanted another one. AD. Had to get another AD coffee table book. It's very, very pretty. If you follow me, whoa. If you follow me on Instagram, I showed you all kind of like, I guess like a hack of getting the look of a coffee table book, but it's actually not a coffee table book. It's just a decorative like box, but when you close it, it looks like a coffee table book. And these ones that I showed were the only ones I've ever seen that actually look like aesthetic. The beige, the creams, the grays. It doesn't just say Paris, New York. Like I've seen those boxes before, but there's something about the ones that I I got that I'm like, no, these are it. These are really, really cute. Okay. And is it even one of my home decor hauls if I don't share a vase? Like, I thought this was really, really pretty. I feel like I've seen something similar on Amazon, but since I was just in person and in store, I figured I'd just pick this up. Super cute. Even here, like on the dining room table, you could put some stems inside, but I would probably leave this blank and just have this up as like decor. Maybe even in these cabinets here in the dining room would be super cute. Okay, and then I got another vase. This white one here, I loved the shape of this. I love the ribbed detailings. There's something about this material that reminds me of like leather. I don't know if that makes sense, but it kind of has like, I don't know, just some sort of like detailing on it. And I just think this is really pretty. Again, you can have stems in these or just leave it out on like a coffee table by itself. I think this is just really pretty. Okay, moving on, I got these candlesticks. They're like this ribbed, I don't know if you can see that. There's like this ribbed detail. I think is like really, really pretty. Again, cream beige. On TikTok, everybody calls this style like sad beige. And I'm like, but it makes me happy. Like, I don't see sad when I see beige. I see like clean, fresh, relaxing, calm, peaceful. So I don't know, but I really, really like these. That's not beige. I got this puzzle. Rob and I have been very much into puzzles lately, and the kids as well. They have this like Encanto puzzle set that comes with like 24 different puzzles with all the different like Encanto characters. So anyway, they have those, but Rob and I are obsessed with like seasonal puzzles. Like for Christmas, we did a bunch of Christmas puzzles, and now that it's becoming like spring and summer, I saw this ice cream one and I was like, oh, this would be cute for us for like a date night in. So I picked this up. Okay, and then I got, oh, it's got like a little indent here. Oh no. I got this really cute like sketch book. I'm not the best drawer, but I do like getting creative and just like having fun. And I have some paints that I rarely ever use. And I was like, oh, this will be fun. Just picturing like on a spring morning, like being outside and like painting like, I don't know, like a little flower or something just to like, I don't know, have a little hobby, y'all. Have some like me time and do something fun. So I got this sketchbook. This like was like the kid in me buying this. Okay, and then this was an impulse buy, but I got these chains. I think these are really cute. I don't know if I'm still, as I hold them like I bought them, I don't know if I'm as obsessed with decorative chains as I once was. There was a season when I first moved into this house where I was like, oh my gosh, like chains are it. You just throw it over a coffee table book. It looks so styled. And it does, don't get me wrong, but I don't know if it is like, it just doesn't like hit the same for me. But I saw these wooden ones and I was like, oh, this could be cute. This could change my mind. So yeah, I got these. Don't know if I'm gonna keep these. We'll see how they look styled, but I just wanted to pick them up. Okay guys, and I talked about how I got that peach iced tea and how I've been really into like glassware, cute little drinks, like teas, flavored water has been like my newest obsession. So I got this glassware. It is plastic. Okay, so it's actually acrylic, it's dishwasher safe. And I just thought these looked really, really nice. Like I'm just picturing again, being outside, having like a cute little drink, relaxing, just like having music on in the background, maybe like painting in that little sketchbook. It's all about romanticizing the life over here. So I wanted to pick these up. They were very, very inexpensive. $10 for all 4 of these, so. Okay, and then I got these 2 like decorative vases. I don't know, but the color is beautiful. I love this color metal. These are very heavy. I love this color metal. It's like gunmetal slash, I would say brass gold-ish, but I just love this. Like, I think this is just very, very pretty. It's gorgeous. Something about the texture of them, like the material would even look nice in the dining room right here, in wherever I want to put them. I want to put them down, but I think these would look really, really nice. Maybe even in the sunroom. I have to play around with these to see where I'm gonna put them, but oh my gosh, hold on. Let me just hold one at a time. So I just think this is so gorgeous, so pretty. They were right in the front, and you know, Homegoods has that section that's like handcrafted in India, like all the stuff is from India. That section is always my favorite. I love that section. I feel like you can find the most like unique, beautiful things, and this is one of them. And I just really, really like this. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. You could put stems in these, but I'm definitely not gonna do that. I'm gonna let them have their own moment because they're just so beautiful. The gold is so pretty and I love them. So I got that smaller size, and then this one is a little bit bigger. So I will style them both together, and I think they're just so pretty. So yeah, you guys, that is everything that I got from HomeGoods. Now I want to set the camera up, do a little bit of styling with just like a few of the pieces. Yeah, you have to let me know if you like videos like this. I feel like I could film more and get more videos out if they were just like quick, casual like this. So yeah, let's get into the styling. Guys, so I really hope you all enjoyed today. Rob, it's okay. You weren't expecting me to start talking. No. You guys, it was like silent before I turned the camera on. It was like a silent, calm moment in here, and then I'm just like, all right, guys. But I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. I know it was just like super quick, casual. I just went to HomeGoods and I was just in the mood to film. You have to let me know in the comments if you like this vibe of just kind of like laid back, hey, this is what I got, styling a little bit, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Because if so, oh, we can crank these videos out. That's no problem. So let me know what you all think. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And we, all of my new HomeGoods finds, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. You want to say bye?
Bye.